How to make another YouTube channel with the same email. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make another YouTube channel using the same email on YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and open YouTube. If you're doing it on mobile, you can simply open this in your web browser and request the desktop version, and once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're gonna head over and sign into the correct account for which you wish to add a new channel for. So then you're gonna click on this profile here at the top right. So once you do click on that, you're gonna scroll down, and over here you'll be able to see various options. So you're gonna click on settings over here. So once you click on settings, you'll be redirected to account. So simply click on account, and over here you'll be able to see these options. So you're gonna click on this one that says add or manage your channel. So you can simply click on that, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to all of your channels. You'll be able to view all of your channels over here. Now, if you wish to add a new channel, you can simply head over, click on create a channel, and here you need to verify. So you can see to create a channel, complete a quick one-time verification in YouTube Studio. This helps us fight spam and abuse. So all you need to do is simply click on verify, and once you do so, you'll be taken over to YouTube Creator Studio, and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Now it says what kind of advanced feature you want, and here you gotta select take a 6-second video of yourself, take a photo of your ID, or build history as you go. And once you select any of these, you're gonna simply click on next and then click on done and create your new channel. So that is basically how you can create a new channel on YouTube using the same email. Note that you need to run your existing channel before creating a new one. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.